Are you a small business owner or manager? Are you trying to do everything yourself? And are you wondering how to grow your business where there just isn't enough time for you to do everything? What if the everyday chores of your business were simply done without you being involved? And what if you took all that saved time and worked on getting more business? This would completely change everything for you, right? Hiring the right people is a big deal, and I wrote this book to share my hiring process that I've developed since 2000 when I hired my first assistant. I'll walk you through my step-by-step process to finding a virtual worker that fits you. Because I believe your first helper is a virtual assistant followed by an accountant very soon afterwards. These two hires will impact your business directly and will pay for themselves very quickly. This process can be applied to hiring web designers, graphic designers, and any other virtual workers that your business needs. You can hire for immediate needs and with the right people, train them for your future needs. Hire smart right from the start. After reading this book, you'll have a clear system roadmap on how to move your business forward where you are not doing everything. You're going to feel great about knowing how to spot good talent and when to get rid of a bad fit. I've had a lot of virtual assistants over the last 20 years before I retired to Mexico. Some of them have lasted a day or even an hour, and my last assistant, which now exclusively works for my fiancée and her business, helped me for 5 years. Getting reliable, good help has made everything run smoother so I can focus on what I need to. I'm confident that this hiring process will work for you and that the mystery of how you get more done will be solved. You're going to feel like a hiring expert at the end. So get this book now and it'll save you money, energy, and more importantly, your time within a few days. When you finish this book, you will know what to do next and you won't be guessing on your next action steps. Click on the link below and get started today. Using these techniques in the book to hire the right virtual assistant and other virtual workers for you, you're going to be able to really work anywhere. Your entire business can be virtual unless you need a storefront, but you could potentially live in a place like I do in Mexico, on the beach, with a pool and a palapa, and really live a very nice lifestyle, and all you need is pretty good Wi-Fi. That's really it. This book will explain how you can hire those key people and other contractors that you need to get things done without having to have an office and doing it virtual, and the systems and the business systems you need in place to be able to work as a team, which is pretty crucial. So go ahead and get the book, and it's going to teach you all about how to do that and how I've had a virtual assistant for over 20 years and even getting my accounting firm, which is overseas as well, and many other techie people, graphic designers, and everything that I just need to get done, having someone help me, all done virtually. So go ahead and get the book today.